It's huge. That's a nice one. Good job. Damn, girl. Like a freaking football.
Morning everyone, we got an early start to today's video. About to go on the second ice fishing trip of the year. If you haven't seen the first one, it was a little sketchy because someone fell in the week after we went. We're heading back to Mantua, about to do a little pan fishing for some maybe bluegill, crappie, perch, maybe some rainbow trout. But glad to be out. It's a beautiful morning. Even though it's dark and I can't see anything outside, it's nice to go ice fishing. I'll catch you guys on the ice.
Dude, see, they come up, they look, and then they leave. Yeah. They come up, they look, and they leave. Yeah. Watch. Come here. See, he's here. He's right there. He looks. They don't like dead sticking either. Oh, I got one on me right now. Huge mark. Come on. No, I'm right here. Nice haul. How big is that? Those are tiny, dude.
Shut up, dude. Sometimes the bigger bluegills will be like right here.
Yeah, that's where I get most of mine.
Mine, I saw like 5 or 6 of them just swim across.
Really?
Yeah, because they would show up and then just disappear.
Yeah.
A lot of people look like they had them out. I've tried everything.
Same. I used my whole damn tackle box. It's just one here and there. What?
Don't drop that, don't.
The fish aren't eating, so we're gonna eat. Well, a better way to warm us up than some noodles.
Oh my gosh, that's big.
You don't have any bait?
Yeah.
I think it just turned into a cooking channel. My queen?
Thank you.
It's hot. It just got hot, so.
Sir?
Yes, sir. Those from beautiful people.
You can see the fish here.
Oh, you have one.
Yeah, but it just comes up and stares at it.
It's fish today, man.
Fucking right.
It's a small one.
It's on?
I'm not sure.
I can't tell through it.
Don't see that. Okay.
Good job, girl.
Oh, wow. It's huge. We got a world record.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We got world record fish, guys.
Big one.
Monster. Jesus. It's huge. Oh wow, that's a nice one.
I'll be careful, please stop stepping there.
Nice job.
Thank you. Thank you, that's good.
I had one too, so.
You had it?
Yeah. Wow, that is big.
That's huge.
Good job.
Thank you.
And so we're gonna go find some bluegills, hopefully. It's been a really rough day. Yeah, I know they come up and then they just dip. Yeah, I just had one chase of hell for that. That's cool. What the fuck?
Bro.
Holy shit, that thing was
Bro, I
tiny.
was like, oh, that looked like a good hit.
Ooh, big red mark, okay. And he gone. Oh, why didn't you tell me to come help you?
Wow, that's heavy. I got it.
Oh my god, dude, they're all over my bait right now.
That's a lot over here.
They don't like this. Hit it pretty hard?
Yeah.
Good job.
That scared me.
Good job.
The bigger one?
Oh, wow.
Look at that. That's scary.
What the hell? Damn, girl. That's what's up. Like a freaking football. Good job.
Thank you.
Bluegill like this freaking.
He's all,
Oh,
he was on the whole time.
dude, that was a big one.
Let's do that.
That is a football
He
ass.
was still on. He was...
Nice, homie. Looks like, oh, we found them. We found them. We found them, boys and girl.
You guys found me out.
Mm,
They're just nibbling it, huh?
what the hell?
That's what they're thinking.
Oh my god.
That was big.
I'll start cleaning in a little bit. I'm just upset because these fish played with my feelings all day.
Oh, that's a small one.
The bait.
Oh my, what the?
Hold on. No. We need a picture of this.
That thing is freaking tiny, bro. I didn't think you could see it.